Introduce yourself.
Hello, it's nice to meet you. I'm always happy to meet new people. Hi, nice to meet you too. I work hard and enjoy simple moments. Can you tell me about yourself? Why did you start learning English? Sure, I enjoy traveling and learning English because I want to talk with travelers. That sounds interesting. That's a great reason. What do you do in your free time? What's your biggest dream? I like hiking and reading books. I hope to visit many countries someday. I love nature as well. I'm sure you can do it. Do you have a favorite place? Thank you for the encouragement. Yes, I enjoy quiet mountain villages. Let's keep practicing together.
Talking at hotel.
Hello. Hello. Welcome. I have a reservation. May I have your name? Here is my passport. Thank you very much. How many nights? 2 nights. 1 room? Yes, 1 room. Would you like a double bed? Yes, please. Breakfast is included. That's great. Check-in is now. Perfect. May I have your phone number? Sure. Please sign here. Done. Here is your key card. Thank you. Your room is on the 5th floor. How do I get there? Take the elevator. Okay. The elevator is on your left. Thank you. Need help with your luggage? No? Thanks. Enjoy your stay. Thank you. Excuse me. How can I help you? The Wi-Fi isn't working. Let me check. Thank you. Here is the password. It works now. Wonderful. Can I get extra towels? Of course. Please send them. Right away. Is breakfast on the 1st floor? Yes, it is. What time? From 6:30 to 10 o'clock. Thank you. You're welcome. Can I have another pillow? Certainly. Thank you. No problem. Is there a gem? Yes. Where is it? On the 2nd floor. Great. Enjoy. Can I order room service? Yes, anytime. I'd like some coffee. Anything else? A sandwich, please. Sure. How long will it take? About 20 minutes. Perfect. Thank you. I'd like to check out. Certainly. Did you enjoy your stay? Yes, very much. Any minibar items? No. Your total is ready. Can I pay by card? Yes. Here you go. Payment approved. Thank you. Here is your receipt. Thanks. Need a taxi? Yes, please. It will arrive soon. Great. Have a safe trip. Thank you. See you again. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care. You too. Have a nice day. Thank you. You're welcome. See you next time. Bye.
Talking at bank.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I'd like to open a bank account.
Certainly.
What do I need?
Please show your ID.
Here is my ID.
Thank you.
Do you have proof of address?
Yes, I do.
Please fill out this form.
Okay.
What type of account would you like?
A savings account.
Good choice.
Thank you.
Would you like a debit card?
Yes, please.
It will arrive in 1 week.
That's fine.
Would you like online banking?
Yes.
Please create a password.
Done.
Your account is ready.
Great.
I'd like to deposit some money.
How much?
$500.
Please hand me the cash.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Your deposit is complete.
Thanks.
I'd like to withdraw some money.
How much would you like?
$100.
Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Here is your cash.
I'd like to transfer money.
To which account?
This one.
The transfer is complete.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I check my balance?
Certainly.
Your balance is $1,000.
Great.
Can I get a bank statement?
Of course.
Here it is.
Thank you.
I lost my debit card.
We'll block it immediately.
Thank you.
Would you like a new card?
Yes, please.
It will arrive soon.
Can I exchange dollars?
Yes, you can.
What's today's exchange rate?
Here it is.
That looks good.
Would you like to continue?
Yes.
Please sign here.
Done.
Thank you.
I forgot my PIN.
We can reset it.
How long will it take?
About 5 minutes.
Perfect.
Please wait here.
No problem.
Everything is ready.
Excellent.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Thank you for visiting.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
See you again.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Take care.
Thank you.
Have a safe day.
Thanks.
See you next time.
Sure.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
You're always welcome.
I appreciate your help.
My pleasure.
Have a wonderful day.